Oh my gosh, you guys, I got a trip! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week I'm not gonna be flying, but I might actually get the information whether I will be flying next week. So I'm excited, fingers crossed, that I get a trip. So technically they have to give reserve 2s a trip first. So I am starting my reserve 2 line on Friday. And some of my friends, they have gotten information whether they're gonna fly or not a couple of days beforehand. So I have like a 13-hour call out time. So I think I'm gonna get to fly. I'm not sure though. So I'm really excited about this. But this week is just like follow me around basically. I have a few things planned. So today's Friday. I'm going out to eat with a few friends later. And then I'm spending the weekend with Mario, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Maybe like go to a lake or something. I was very productive today already. Let me show you. I made a few of these rollers. I keep like making my own cosmetics right now. I made this here, just like some soothing stuff. I've been liking like switching out some of my toxic products. So I've been doing a lot of like DIY projects. I have a big DIY project planned for this week, or well, like next week. Well, the week I'm gonna show you anyways, since today is Friday. So I want to go to Ikea on maybe like Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that, and buy a big amount of stuff and do some DIY projects. So I'm excited for that. Other than that, I'm back from Canada. I'm back from Montreal. My trip was awesome. In case you haven't watched that vlog, like flying or working a transatlantic flight during a pandemic, I'm gonna link it in the upper right hand corner. Today the weather is great. I'm excited. Let's go ahead. Let's start this day. It's like in the morning. We're going for ice cream and it's raining. It's raining so bad. I'm like, why? So Mari's getting this umbrella. We're having a pancake breakfast. It's looking good. Rising nice. We just got here to the lake. We're at Hintersee, so let's go for a swim. He got me flowers. Thank you, babe. It's cold. It's so cold. You're not coming in. I'm freezing with like every single step. It is Tuesday. I'm actually getting ready. I'm just packing my bag and stuff because I'm gonna go to Ikea today. I'm gonna buy all of those like mason jars. Not really mason jars, but more like Vic jars. The ones that just they close with a lid and they close airtight. And I want to get glass jars for a lot of my stuff that I have, like muesli, granola, all of that kind of stuff, chia seeds, all that. Tomorrow I'm meeting a friend of mine, and then I'm checking the system all the time because I keep checking whether they have assigned a trip to me yet, but they haven't. So I'm like very anxious. I'm like, please assign something to me. I got everything I wanted from Ikea, and now let's go back. Okay. That's gonna take a lot of work. So it took me forever because there were a lot of people at the checkout, and apparently the one I went to, that one took the longest. It's always that way. And I'm just in the parking garage of Ikea. They're doing some construction here. Yeah, I'm excited about the purchases and excited about like reorganizing everything, like getting my own pantry and stuff. You guys, there are jars, like glass jars everywhere. I just washed all of these. And there's so many of those. That's gonna be a lot of work tomorrow. So far I just checked the system again. No news yet, so maybe there's something in the system for Saturday or Sunday tomorrow. Let's see. This is part one of my pantry. Just so much stuff, very unorganized basically, and all in plastic bags. This is part two of my pantry. A little organized, but still all in plastic thingies. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just checked our crew website and I got a trip. I have a trip starting on Saturday. It's a 4-day trip, so it does have a layover. It's an international trip. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm gonna go now. You're gonna see that in my next vlog, so don't miss the next vlog. But I'm shaking. Like, I got another international, like, okay, so this is a trip that I wanted last time I was actually on standby, and I actually got it, and oh my gosh. I don't know whether this is a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. I don't actually know if I can go and explore at this destination. We'll see. But oh my gosh, guys, I have a trip. I'm going on a trip on Saturday. And so my boyfriend is on vacation with his family, like his parents and his brother at the moment. He's gonna be back on the 15th, which is Wednesday. And I actually get back on Tuesday, which means I'll be here once he gets back from his trip, which is awesome. And I'm just like, this is pretty good, you guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I'm just about to head to the lake to meet a friend of mine. I haven't seen her, Alina, in what, like half a year basically. We were supposed to meet up back in March, but then it didn't happen because of quarantine. And now we decided to meet up again, so it's gonna be fun. Let's go. I'm now here at Attendant, so my friend is gonna be here any minute now. Oh, the lake is beautiful today. I'm back from the lake. I had so much fun there. So the situation here, just gonna flip you around and show you. All of these glasses are dry. And this is the situation. I'm gonna put everything that you see here into those jars. Let's get started. I'm very proud of myself right now. Look at all of those jars. I feel like it looks pretty professional. I know the letters aren't the exact same because I like wrote everything on the jars myself, but I feel so accomplished right now. Got a lot of stuff here like goji berries, breadcrumbs, chickpeas, quinoa, sesame seeds, pasta, oats, red lentils, sugar, rice, everything. My pantry is done. I'm so excited about this. So everything fit in here. I've got more space in my room as well. And it's very suitable for very small kitchens or kitchen space that is limited. Good morning, today is Thursday. I'm currently doing some laundry. I have one wash load right here. The other one is in my washing machine. And I am actually gonna go and, let me just grab my phone. I'm gonna go and make some lunch. I think I'm just gonna meal prep a little bit so I have something for tomorrow as well. So I already went ahead and I made these chickpeas. I just like cooked them. I soaked them yesterday because they didn't all fit into my jars. So I had some extra and I was like, I'm just gonna like make those. I didn't have any more of the big jars left. So I had to put the chickpeas in a small jar. I should have just gone and bought another big jar, but whatever. I wanted to use whatever I have. And I'm just gonna make something. I think I'm gonna make like a creamy sauce with some ham because I have some ham that I need to use up before I leave for my trip because I don't want it to like spoil. I try to use up everything that I have in my fridge and everything. I try to not waste food and throw it away. I don't know, but whenever I have to throw something away, it kind of makes me want to cry because I don't want to waste food because I know other people in the world are not as fortunate. They don't have as much food and stuff, and I just don't want any food to go to waste. Do you guys know what I mean? Like, are you guys the same or is that just me? Anyways, let's start cooking. I'm excited. I have never done this with chickpeas, just with pasta or like gnocchi pasta, like potato pasta. So let's see how that goes. I think I'm gonna add some regular pasta. By the way, I know up here it's sort of like a mess, but everything else belongs to my roommates. But I feel like this, like these two jars, actually like make my kitchen look more expensive, if that makes sense. Lunch is ready. I made this right here. I feel like the chickpeas all sank to the bottom, that's why you can't really see it. But I feel like it looks yummy. It's probably gonna taste yummy, and I mean that. I should finish my laundry very soon, and then I think I'm gonna head outside for a bit, and then I have some coursework to do for my nutrition course that I'm taking online while we're in the middle of this chaos right now. I just wanted to be productive and use my time. And then I might actually go for a walk or something again because the weather is beautiful. I'm back from my trip to the grocery store. So I bought all this here. It's not a lot. I got some distilled water. Like the past few times when I did DIY projects, I just distilled my own water, but it takes so much time and so much energy. So I decided to buy some because I'm running low on hand soap and I want to make some more myself. Got some water for my trip on Saturday. Got some skyr for breakfast, some cream for cooking, a few bananas. I got some creme fraiche for like dips and cooking, and some mixed berries. Nice cream in the making. Yummy nice cream. Good morning, I'm just having my breakfast. Today is packing day, so I'm just having some chia pudding that I made yesterday. Wait, where's my phone? Oh, that was just my friend because I'm Skyping with a friend of mine tonight, with Jasmine. I haven't heard from her in a while, so it's gonna be good to catch up. You're catching up on like basically the last year. Today is packing day. I am leaving tomorrow morning, so I need to get everything ready tonight. And yeah, I'm packing for a 4-day trip. I'm so excited about flying again, you guys. It's amazing. I'm in the middle of packing for tomorrow. So this is the situation. I'm taking both suitcases because it is an international trip and it's gonna be a 4-day trip. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm not gonna take a jacket or anything because it's summer and it's gonna be rather warm at the destination, but I'm gonna go. So let's flip you around. I have most of the stuff in my suitcase anyways from my last trip. I just repacked the clothes, like washed them and repacked them. And then I have like a spare uniform and stuff in my carry-on. That's it for this video, guys. So you saw me packing and all of that, and I was basically on reserve. So they do give you a trip a couple of days ahead if you're on reserve 2, what I was on. And that was really cool that I got a trip. And last time when I was on call, I was basically on standby. So I was at the airport. I had no time to like prep or anything for the trip because our standby call out time is 1 hour. And for reserve 2, it's at least 13 hours, but usually they give you a trip at least 24 hours ahead. I mean, they could give me a trip 13 hours ahead of time, but usually they give me a trip like a day, 2 days, 3 days ahead of time. The case now was I got the trip on Tuesday, I think, and I'm going on Saturday, tomorrow. So it's pretty cool. Like, it gives me enough time to like plan ahead, pack everything, get everything ready at home and all of that. I mean, tomorrow was the earliest. They could have used me anyways, so I'm glad they did give me a trip for tomorrow. You're gonna see more in next week's vlog. So next week's vlog is gonna be a travel vlog like I used to do all the time before the current situation happened. I'm excited that I get to fly again. I'm really excited. Yeah. So I'm all packed up. I'm ready to go tomorrow. I still have to edit this vlog before I can actually leave because it needs to be up on Sunday and I'm gonna be at a different destination on Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching. In case you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you like my videos and my content, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also hit that bell icon below so that YouTube gives you a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with an exciting travel vlog. Bye bye!